Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to convert your low quality video into 1080p Full HD video easily in Filmora. Plus, I will share how to remove grain or noise from your video, so your video look like shoot on a professional camera without noise or grain. Okay, let's jump in. First, open Filmora app on your PC and make sure you choose aspect ratio 16:9 or widescreen because we want to convert a video to a 1080p Full HD video. Of course, we have to set aspect ratio to 16:9 or widescreen. After that, click on the New Project button. Next, you have to check the project setting. Click File and Project Setting. Check the aspect ratio, set the resolution, and choose the frame rate. The higher the better, but it takes more time to render. Let the color space and click OK. Next, open your video. Place your video on the timeline and click on the Keep Project Setting because we already set the project setting. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video here for more easy. And then right-click on your video, choose Edit Properties or Alt+E. On the Basic tab, scroll till the bottom and activate the Auto Enhance setting. You can change the amount of Auto Enhance with moving the scroll bar. You can see the result on the Preview Video section. I'm gonna make the amount to 100. And click OK. Next, we will add some effect. You can search for the effect in the effect search box and type Artist Color Filter. Pick Artist Color Filter 2 and drag to the timeline above your video. As you can see, the sky color looks better. Double-click it to change the opacity of this filter. You can choose opacity that you like. I'm gonna try 80 for now. Drag the filter to cover your video. Play it. Looks good. Okay, but I want to lower the opacity like 55. Okay, looks great. Next, we will remove noise or grain from the video. To remove grain or noise, first, search Smart the Noise effect and drag to the timeline. Double-click to open the properties, and then you can see the difference and you can experiment the noise that you like. After that, click OK and drag to the end of the video. Last step is to export the video. Check the format is MP4, resolution and the frame rate. And check the exported quality to higher. Click export and wait till finish. Okay, that's it. Hope you like it and let me know what you think. If you have a request, feel free to comment. See you on the next video. Thank you.